शहरी इक़्तिदार की कुदरती हुस्न और खूबसूरत नज़ारों के बीच हम ला रहे हैं
Bahria town. I really want to say that this is the safest place to live in, and people who are living here, they're loving it.
एक बेहतरीन अपॉर्चुनिटी है। यकीनन ये प्लॉट एक बहुत ही अच्छी अपॉर्चुनिटी है।
स्पोर्ट्स स्टेडियम, इंटरनेशनल हॉस्पिटल, ग्रैंड जामिया मॉस्क, मेगा शॉपिंग मॉल्स और एक शानदार वाटर पार्क, एक जदीद पुरतायुश और फितरत से करीब तरीन रहाइश, निहायत मुनासिब कीमत में 5 मरला से 8 किनाल तक की रिहायशी प्लॉट। तो आज ही अपना प्लॉट बुक करवा कर अपने ख्वाबों की तरफ पहला कदम उठाएं।
I think it's going to be really easy with a baby. Also, let's take a look at the kitchen. As you can see, it's got an amazing kitchen, completely redone. Yeah. The countertops are incredible, right? Wine cooler, which is really, really nice. Excited? I am. Yeah.
Even have your herringbone backsplash.
Yes, I love it. Would you like to see the bedrooms? Absolutely. Let's do it. This is actually the master. It's got a fantastic closet, tons of light.
Nice
Best
space.
features also is that it'll be right next door to the nursery.
I am loving the house. It seems to have everything that we've been looking for, and I can't wait to see the rest of it.
Look at this amazing bathroom.
This is so nice.
Beautiful updates. It's got a new tub.
Oh, look.
This is awesome. Come on in.
Baby room.
Yes.
Oh, wow.
Perfect size, right?
Absolutely. I think it's amazing so far. I'm loving what I'm seeing. I think it'll work out beautifully.
I agree. There's more than enough space. There's room for the crib and for the changing table and for everything we'll need.
Oh, it's so exciting. Awesome. Okay, let's take a look outside. I know that's also important to you.
This is amazing.
Right? The space is incredible
It's so big.
for entertaining, and actually, down the road, there's plenty of room if you want to put a pool in.
Absolutely. I love the lights.
Yeah, go take a look. See what you think.
Lori is amazing. She really knows what we're looking for.
Oh, I love it after a hard day's work. Perfect. All right, guys. So, what do you think?
We love it so far.
It's an awesome house.
Do you love enough to make an offer?
We are so excited. We decided to make an offer on the house.
मुकम्मल एतमाद के साथ अभी राब्ता करें